So it's about 7 a.m. It's about 35 degrees. Light rain falling. No snow or anything yet, but we'll see what happens. All these Texans closed our office. Can't imagine it'll actually stick on the roads if and when it actually snows. It was 60 degrees yesterday, so the roads are still warm, even when it does go below freezing. But we'll see what happens. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some on the grass, but I'm guessing road conditions will be fine. We're starting to get a little ice here on the on the balcony. See a little, I think it's sleet. Yeah, looks like we're getting a little sleet maybe. You can see minuscule accumulation down there. But it's supposed to kind of get colder and colder throughout the day, so it'll be interesting. See if roads get icy or what. I'm just gonna stay put and keep tuning my bazooki. Restringing it. Well, that involves tuning it. But it's a fairly major undertaking. It's a 8-string Greek instrument, and somewhat of a finicky instrument when it comes to restringing. Takes a little while. I got my outdoor plants covered up. Brought one indoors. Got the Seinfeld on. Greek bazooki. Well, actually, this is a Irish bazooki, but it's tuned like a Greek bazooki. It's coming down a bit more briskly now. It's about noon here in Houston. You can see a little bit of accumulation. A little bit more here on the landing. More here. I don't know if we're only gonna get this or maybe some snow as well. Let's see. It's coming down pretty good now. It's supposed to get colder this afternoon and keep up, so we'll see. Just had some latkes for lunch. Now I'm gonna walk out to the roads, see how they're looking. There's a little bit of ice accumulating now. Not much though. I heard it's supposed to switch over to snow around 2 till about 4. So we'll see. You can see there's a little bit of accumulation on the cars. A little ice there on the grill. A little bit here on the parking lot, but not too bad. Temperature is supposed to keep falling a little. Somewhat picturesque. Somewhat nice looking to see the light dusting of snow on the rooftops, etc. There's another wee patch of snow. My mother in Virginia broke her arm last week in 2 places pretty badly, slipping on the ice. But it's pretty icy up there, a lot colder. You have to be a little careful. These roads look perfectly fine. You have to be a little careful on bridges, as the old saying goes. Bridges freeze first. But otherwise, they look pretty fine. starting to get a little more precipitation here, but I think it's pretty much over, more or less, as far as anything major. Yeah, this has been the great January blizzard of 2018 for Houston, I guess.